FM in October 2024. For reference,
National Weather Service in Simple City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Sarandalato County in the Panhandle of Mblumia, east central Monica County in the Panhandle of Mblumia, PAIJH County in the Panhandle of Mblumia, Pasco County in the Panhandle of Mblumia, Rivera County in the Panhandle of Mblumia, extreme southwestern Jacob County in northeastern Mblumia until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicator severe thunderstorms capable of producing baseball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These dangerous storms were located along a line extending from near Quinny to near Giller to near Asher, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Giller, Asher, Raymond, Red Rock, Tammany, Simone, Baker, Styx, Fort Bridge, Jamier, Tabor Ridge, Gaskert Bridge, Michaels, Trenton, Antry, Jench, Denver and Gaskert Bridge Air Center. Wind damage with this storm will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.